Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahri Pratama. I come from class 12 Technical Engineering 2. Lubricating oil. Engine oils is a chemical in the form of a liquid which is given between two moving objects to reduce friction. Lubricant oil serves as a protective coating that prevents the occurrence of collision between metal and metal engine components to a minimum, and also prevents scratches and wear. Lubricants generally consist of a 90% base oil and 10% additive. Engine oil or lubricating oil have many kinds and variety. There are two types of oil. 1. Mineral oil. Base oil is a base on processed petroleum and additive are added to improve its ability and function. 2. Synthetic oil. Synthetic oil usually consists of polyolefins from the separation of mineral oil, which is a gas. Then this compound is mixed with mineral oil. This is why synthetic oil can be mixed with mineral oil and vice versa. Synthetic oil tends to contain reactive carbon ingredients. Synthetic oil is designed to produce more effective money performance than mineral oil. Sekian dari saya. Maafkan jika ada kesalahan kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.